and today we're going to take a look at this foot massager. And I've had a couple of them before, and foot massagers are absolutely amazing. Mountrax actually sent me this one, and we're going to go ahead, take a look at it, look at all the features, and try it out. So the foot massager does come with a remote. Just remove the little plastic piece in there to start using it. The battery's in there and ready to use. This is also a corded machine, so you do need to plug that in and plug it into the wall in order to use it. It does not have a cordless option. Now the shoe size does go up to a size 12 shoes, but I've heard of somebody with 13 size actually using it. Now it does have air compression on there, needing the power button heat as well as a timer on there. Also has a low, medium, and high intensity on there, and the timer is 15 or 30 minutes. Let's turn on that bad boy and try it out. The inserts where you actually put your feet also are removable. There's a little zipper on them and Velcro from the inside, so you can remove and wash them anytime you want. And now for me, the air compression is always the best, so I like to use it on high. Initially, when you do turn it on, it is great. It starts right away with the kneading. You can intensify as much as you want. It just catches you at the right spots in there. And then an intensity of the air compression, you can actually control that. When you do put it on high, you feel like it's completely catching your foot. You can't really move your foot in there, but it feels really good and really comfortable. It seems like it's set up in there to whatever shoe size you are. It just kind of catch you in the right spots because all the little balls in there are in the right spots, so it goes exactly where it needs. And the air compression, you can adjust it to what you want. You can go with the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes, turn off any of the features or turn them on. Each one is controlled individually, so you don't have to worry about using any of the features together. This is one of those machines that you deeply want to think of as a gift. It is a great idea for a gift, as I've already had a couple of people say, I want one. This is one of those machines that when family is coming over and I usually have it out, they seem to take turns just getting in there and getting a little foot massage. So do I love this? Yes, it is very comparable to the ones that I've gotten in this price point before. In quality, even more comfortable than the other ones I've had before. Highly recommended product.